So Tesla getting in a lot of fights about things. Oops. Hold on here. Okay. So let's just underline here now that we're talking about the invention of radio and the sending of sounds by sound waves. How is it different from anything that came before, notably the telegraph? It's wireless. It's wireless. And that's why it's such an amazing invention. So how does the basic technology work? So there are naturally occurring radio waves, electromagnetic waves, artificially generated radio waves are used for all these things here that you see. Okay, so, and depending on the wavelength, literally, the wavelength varies based on what you're sending. And so there's an electromagnetic / radio wave spectrum that's been identified, and different usages have their part of the unique part of the spectrum. And here it is. If you look up to the upper left here, you'll see broadcast TV, very low megahertz, which is the size of the radio wave. Got garage door openers. How did you think they worked? Cell phones you'll see there, right? In a couple of places. 2.4 gigahertz band used by microwaves, cordless phones, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth wireless networks, satellite TV, security alarms, and there you go, X-rays, a hertz, 1 cycle per second. A cycle is the distance from wave crest to wave crest. Kilohertz, megahertz, and gigahertz. Radio waves are part of the electromagnetic spectrum. And these waves travel at the speed of light. Other parts of the spectrum include visible light and X-rays. The shortest wavelengths have the highest frequency measured in hertz. And by the way, the new 5G networks are going to have short wavelengths and be a little different from what we've used so far. And now we have another video to look at. So I'm going to attempt to see if I can stop this, and we'll go to the other video about how radio works.